This video is a little bit different today because we've got to tell you we've got a problem. My wife says I'm a hoarder, and she might be right. We've been doing this 55 years, I've been here 30 years, and we've got a lot of stuff. I mean, we've got loads of stuff, we've got loads of original stuff, and of course we make all new stuff. So we need to get rid of it. So what we've done is invented the pre-loved parts section, and we are going to put these parts up for you to grab a bargain. So come and have a look at what we're doing. To make things easier, we have added the parts to our Aladdin's cave, but they will be added in amongst normal stock with a PLP suffix for pre-loved parts, okay? Because we have got a lot of stuff. I mean, these are a few bits I just brought up here to show you, but these are all good things. These are parts, some have re-chromed, some other people have re-chromed, there's some stuff not restored, some of the stuff is good enough to go on a car, patinaed, or some of it, well, it's been re-chromed and it needs a rivet in it. So there it is, it's got about 30 quid off, so a good saving. We've got headlight spears, original door handles, oh, a pair of original 120 side lights. There is just ashtrays, indicators, tons of switches that we haven't got anyone to rebuild. So if you want an original switch, please ask. And I've literally got hundreds of knobs and pieces knocking around. Here we used to run a recon section for window winders, but unfortunately that chap has now gone. So there's shelves full of these. We have shelves full of window winder parts, grills, dashboards, new hood frames, whoa, original roadster hood frames, all hanging round, dashboards, pieces of stuff, whoa, even I don't remember what's here. I think we've got a few bonnets knocking around as well. And, whoa, I don't know, here we go, what's that? Early 140. Rear gooseneck and handle. Wow. We have doors, we have door frames, we have door skins, we have lower door sections. We even got samples from panel makers when we bought out job lots of stuff. And then over here, whoa, we've got quite a lot of original headlight rims, boot locks, more plinths, manifolds. Yeah, we have a few manifolds, boot lids, rim embellishers. It's part of our section of new parts, of course, waiting to be chromed. And then we have, well, it looks like I've broken a few 150 dashboards in its time. Original gauges we rebuild. All of this section is every kind of gauge you can imagine. And then we have some engines, there's quite a few gearboxes. Every kind of gauge, 150 rev counters, there's boxes of them. There's 20 or 30 probably in every box. It's hard to even see sometimes, but we've got it all here. We've got core units for rebuilding, really rare ones, and then not so rare. Side screens, suspension, tons of it. Ooh. Oh, petrol filler lock. There's just so much. Gear shift assemblies, whole knuckles sitting there, very nice. Oh, we have cam covers and quite a lot of polished cam covers just sitting around. Early studless and later, all sitting here waiting for someone to just ask us for them. Over here we seem to have a few original oil filter canisters. It's our radiator recon section. And then over here, oh, we have some brake parts, some brake drums, back plates, pretty much everything you'd like. We even found in the corner lots of door inserts. If you're rebuilding the door, got a piece missing, we seem to have a box of those as well. Here we've got original hubcaps. There's some even new old stock still in the box as well. It's nearly in the box. Lucas headlight rims. Wow. Some of these I keep for samples. Some stuff we'll always keep for samples. Other, well, we could just do with getting rid of some original hoses. There's braided hoses here. There is stuff you couldn't imagine after 55 years. Airboxes, servos, it's all there. Quite a lot of suspension parts as well knocking around the place. Oh, more rim embellishers there. And yes, we have got a whole box of special equipment. Dynamos upstairs, sitting there. Water pumps to rebuild, and water pumps perhaps we don't want to rebuild, but we've got them all. We have job lots of parts, we're trying to sort them out. But if you see anything you fancy, give me a shout. Some things we don't really want to sell, but you know, we can be talked into it. Here some of the guys are trying to sort stuff out, but there is literally tons of it. There's boxes of switches, there's so many knobs, hood hooks, some good, some bad. Oh, more boot lock spurs. We've got original Lucas mirrors here. Wow, there's just so much. We're just going through it all, sorting it out. Even some of it is of the Jaguar, but we will persevere. Anyone want a fan? Oh, 140 fans, 120 fans. We seem to have a pile of originals. Brake caliper assembly mounts, yep, they're all here. There's even a massive box of new alto horns. All sitting around doing nothing. Oh look, here's a box of re-chromed 140, 150 rear lights. And oh, we do make grills. This is an unfinished thing that needs more machining. And look, veneered dash. Oh, hinge boxes. There are original tools here, original jacks, wheel braces. Look, crank handles for classic Jags, different lengths. So if you see anything, you need anything, please help us out. Give us a call. If you see it on the video, give us a call. If you find it on the shop, buy it. We can only sell it the once. We're the last guys doing this. Last guys in the business dedicated to XK. We're the last guys you can talk to. So I hope you enjoyed the look around, because whoa, we've just got too much stuff. Oh, we seem to have a pile of sills there. And there's a few panels on the shop that, well, they're just sitting here. New panels go rusty, so why don't you buy it? We'll do you a deal. Thanks a lot. Bye. Here's a look in our display cabinet. Some of these things we're starting to show on the shop. Original hoses. Oh, light units. It's even the odd Mark 7 bit knocking around, and the odd E-type. We need to get rid of some of it. Come on guys, help me out. Help save my marriage, eh? Let's get rid of some of this stuff.